Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive 6.0 gas engine. It's got 55,000 miles on it. It's got a 3,200 pound auto crane and a VMAX air compressor. This is a nice truck. We bought this truck. It's from West Virginia. It's got some rust on it here and there. I'm gonna walk around and show you everything the best I can. You know, it's not falling apart or nothing, but I just like to be upfront with people. I don't want you to get it and, you know, think that I'll misled you on the truck. I'd rather not sell it to you. But it's still a great truck, runs out and drives really good. When we got it in, we put all new brake calipers and pads and rotors all the way around the truck. You can see there just some scaly stuff on it. The stuff I'm showing you, most people wouldn't even show you. But like I said, I like to be upfront and honest about stuff. These trucks are what they are. They're still a fourth of the price of a new one, so you know. All that's solid, you can see that. All this in here, like I said, it's not nothing up here like falling apart or anything. Put a little piece in right there because it had a few little holes. So there wasn't nothing major, just little, probably less than an inch. This side's solid. And most people up north probably don't even consider this to be rusty, but like I said, I want you to know what you're buying, because I don't like any confrontation or problems. Alright, I'll show you the crane, just show you the basic stuff on it, the up, down, side to side. Let's see. Down, boom up, winch down. I'm not even gonna unhook that winch. Boom down, boom up, extension out, extension in, side to side. Boom down, winch up. Of course, it does a lot more, you know, goes all the way around, up, down. I'm just showing you that it works, the basic stuff on it. Switch there. Air hose for the air compressor. I'm gonna flip it on real quick. You have to set your emergency brake. Here's your switch for it. and that's a VMAC Eliminator 70. If you want to, if you're curious about the specs or whatever on it, that's what it is. Under the hood's real nice, you know. Usually you see rusty trucks, like all this kind of stuff right here is all rusted up, bolts and stuff like that. Brake lines over there. You know, it's not that bad. I just want you to know what you're getting. So, show you up under here. Solid, you know, it's excellent. You're looking underneath it, it's not bad at all, actually. The bed there is solid. That's your storage for your VMAC, that tank there. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. A truck like this is not going to be very expensive. It's a small truck, probably around $1 a mile, something like that. So, really nice truck. This truck's got the coldest air I've ever seen in a truck. It'll absolutely freeze you out. And I hate to keep harping, but I mean, it's really not that bad, the little bit of rust on it. I've seen, I look at other people's trucks they put for sale online, and I seen a truck one time, show them so every bit of all this right here and all this, it didn't have doors on it, and it just had this door here, and all that was rusted out, and they didn't even put anything about it in the ad. And I'm thinking, man, I mean, if we had that truck, that'd be a parts truck, which I would never buy a truck like that. But I don't know, people, car dealers, they won't be honest with you, and that's what we try to be, as honest as we can. We don't, you know, we don't want any issues. So but if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Again, it's a 07 Classic Chevy 3500 four-wheel drive, 6.0 gas engine, 3,200 pound crane, VMAC air compressor, 55,000 miles, low mileage on the truck. Just a really nice truck.
Cupcake.
Radio, AC all works like it should.
Is that a little too much for you?
Here's the thing, you got the salty Doritos,